What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be installing my third brake light onto the coupe. I'm just rewiring my wires from this one to this one. I'm gonna just bridge it over, and we're gonna go ahead and bridge it onto the brake light. So we already had the. I already went on ahead and drew the outline right here, and drew that right here. So it's pretty center. Yeah, it's pretty center, Sharpie and everything. And we have my little Dremel right here. Get a bigger disc, a bigger one, so I can cut this inner frame, because as you guys can see, it goes in, but it's blocking from the inside, so I won't go all the way in. So you gotta cut up a square right here, and this back piece will be able to go in perfectly fine. Yep. It's the next day. It got a little dark, but we had to cut down the frame in there. Like I showed you guys, we had to cut it down so it can go in. So I got some 3M tape so it can stick around here. And also we wired it up to the headlight. So these are the ones that stays on, because I like them on. So got it on. We just gotta raise up the fronts, because this comes up wet. We're back, and here's the video of the car. Right now I'm just gonna give you guys a little review around the car, what we did to it, because I don't think I filmed the side skirts and me putting on the third brake light and wiring it up. But I did remember, I did film the front lip right here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but oh yes, yeah, I did film that for you guys. But I don't think I filmed the rest of the car around it. Late, but here it is. I added a front splitter onto my front lip that goes onto the BOS. And then for the side skirts, I added these overlay carbon splitters. As you can see, oh, it's perfect with it. It flows perfect with that. The reason why I got that is because that flows out in, comes out, it comes out to the diffuser, yeah, and right into the third brake light. Check that third brake light out. Film too much of the installing progress, because I try not to waste too much daylight. As you can see, it's already nighttime. Time did go to an hour. I think it went an hour up. So we do have time, so the sunset doesn't really sit down till like 5 and doesn't get dark until like 7. But I do work, so it does make it a little bit complicated, but I try to do the best for you guys. But overall, this car is looking nice. But no, I do not drive with that lip because it will fly off. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little cinematic and call it a day, because it is getting dark. So I want to get at least a little bit light in here, so I can do a little cinematic for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into that.
Like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool blue light.